It's only... No, did that wrong, didn't we, for fuck's sake? So what is it? It's only FPV Friday. So what is it? It's only FPV Friday. What is it?
It's only FPV Friday.
Well done. So what is it?
It's only FPV Friday.
Hey. So what is it?
It's only FPV Friday.
So I had a question the other day from one of my great subscribers. I'm hoping he's a subscriber. Anyway, give me a question. He's saying, Shaun, can you do a tug of war with your drones? So I thought, yeah, I'm up for that. But what he did ask, he wanted me to have the Mini 3 Pro, the Mini 4 Pro, and whoever wins, I'll give him the Mini 5 Pro. Well, I can safely say that ain't going to happen. But not because I'm going to give away my Mini 5 Pro, but the main reason is because I think using the drones, if there's a bit of slack, it's going to get wrapped up in the props, and it's obviously going to damage the drones. So we thought what we'd do, we'd try out the Avatas. So Arby's is the one at the end there, which is the orange one. We got the red ribbon in the middle. We got a rock there. Mine's the Avata 2, which has got the red props. And the plan is, it's not a plan really, we're just going to give it a go, is raise the drones up and then hopefully mine will win, because I'm right in thinking the Avata 2's got better motors. But you never know. You never know. There's no wind. Should we just get on with it? What do you think? Who do you think is going to win? That's the main thing. Who do you think is going to win? Right. I suppose we've got to do it at the same time, haven't we?
Yep.
Okay.
You running?
Yeah.
Up. What are you going to do?
Hey.
Coming in.
You ready?
Yep. Bring him down gently. Whoops.
You haven't got to send it again, have you?
No, I don't know. The string got...
It's a pity that we couldn't capture that really, because other than what's on the footage obviously, doing when it went up in the air and it was like this. It's unfortunate I was only covering that bit there. But it did look like mine was more powerful, didn't it?
Look that way.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's the one on. Behind you. Oh, here's the one.
So yeah, literally, whoever sent that question, that ain't gonna happen. Could you imagine if that was 2 mini drones? They would have been wrecked. Total wrecked. Yeah, that was certainly different. Anyway, we can. That's it. We ain't doing that test again.
No, we're not doing that.
Anyway, so really, that was a fail.
But I'm going to try it again.
Yeah.
Well,
You're just going to try the drone again.
Yeah.
But thankfully, mine was all right. But obviously, that was. And this, I think, isn't it your 3rd drone now?
I think it's probably a 6 on it.
6. Now, Harvey does be sensible. He does take out the carry fresh thing, whereas I don't do that. And this is his 6.
I think might be 4 or 5 or whatever. But...
Yeah. Well, I know you've had quite a few.
Yeah.
You've had quite a few mishaps, I'd say. I think anything about the Avata 2, but thankfully mine's been all right. Now I did see Andy's the other day. Is this part at the front? It's not as strong as what these ones are, and that fell out of the sky there. So that's pretty interesting, really. So we just want to see if Harvey's flies again. Straight into that wall. No, he's off.
See you soon. Sooner.
Just like Shaun the Drone, see you sooner.
Sooner.
Just like till life ended, see you sooner. Sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner. Sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner. With the Roberts, see you sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner. Sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner. Sooner, 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 sooner. Pictures of Suffolk, see you sooner.
Sooner.
Sooner. Sooner, sooner, sooner.
See you sooner.
Sooner, sooner, sooner.
We'll see you sooner.
Sooner, sooner, sooner.
Sooner. See you sooner. Gonna see you sooner.
Sooner, sooner, sooner.